Hi Kutties, how are you all? I hope so you are healthy and happy. I am your Subna ma'am. Today we are going to learn about birds and insects. Okay, today we are going to learn about birds and insects. Before that we are going to learn about problem solving skills. How to we face our problems. Okay, you are very small kids, no? So you have only small problems. How to face your problem? Even you broke your toys, or you fight with each other, or you feel some stomach pain or leg pain. How you will face your problem? Or your friend has some problems. How you will help to them? Okay, we will see in this class. Okay, you should take your books of awareness book of wellness. Take this book, children. Take this book. Good. See page number 12. 1 to 12. Take this page. See this. What is this image? Can you guess what is this? Good. This is lion. This is full image. Will you see full image? No. One part of hiding, isn't it? We will help to find to lion. Okay, we will help to find this face. See these images. 3 images has given. Which images is suitable? We will check it. Okay. See first one. No. And second one. See the images is same. So second images is the correct image. Likewise, we have to solve our problems. Okay. See, come to next page. Page number 13. See the boy playing. The boy is playing. While playing, the car is broken. See, he felt very bad, isn't it? He felt very bad. What he will do? He have to solve his problem his own, isn't it? நீங்க உங்க ப்ராப்ளத்தை நீங்களே ஃபேஸ் பண்ணணும். எப்படி? Okay, we will think in different ways. Okay, different wayல நம்ம think பண்ண போறோம். So which ideas is suitable to fit the car? Okay, we will choose that idea and fit the car, or else you help get from your friends also or your parents. Okay, you have to solve your problem or your own. Okay, and next take page number 14. Look this. The boy feel stomach pain. If we feel sick means where we will go to get treatment? Good. We will go to doctor, isn't it? So this boy will go and see the doctor. We will help to him. Take your pencil. See the dot line has given no. You draw line from here. We will help to this boy. Come. Good. We will reach the doctor. Okay. Likewise, we have to solve our problem to our own. Okay, children. Next, we are going to learn about birds and insects. Before that, we are going to play. Are you ready? Are you like to play? Okay. Get up, everyone. Keep your fingers like this. Right hand index finger and left hand index finger. See, keep your fingers like this. Fold like this. Count the numbers. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Likewise, you have to count. One more time, we will do together. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We will do in faster. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you play this game in your house also. You teach this game your friends also, children. We will see the topics. Okay. Could you see birds in your surroundings? Yes, we are seeing many type of birds in our daily life, isn't it? Okay. Some birds can fly high. Some birds can fly high. Which birds can fly high? Do you think? எந்த birds ரொம்ப high fly ஆகும்? Okay, I will tell you. Eagle, sparrow, crow, like these birds can fly too high. Okay, some birds can fly but in medium height only. What bird that? Duck, hen, peacock. These are all the birds these birds can fly but it can't fly too high. Okay, இது வந்து என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, high level fly ஆக முடியாது, but it can flying birds. Some birds can't fly but it is a bird. It can feather also but it can't fly. And the bird, do you think which bird can fly? Good. Penguin, ostrich, it is a bird but it can't fly. These are all birds also under the animals. Birds also under the animals. Okay, children. Next, we are going to learn insects. Next, we are going to learn insects. Insects means what? Insects means it is a small animal. It is a small animal. See, during raining season, now we will see many insects in our home, isn't it? Beetles. Light potta varu illaya? See, likewise mosquito, house fly. These are all the insects. Okay, this is very small animal. And ant also. Okay, in our daily life we are seeing insects also, isn't it, children? Okay, in this class we are going to learn about birds and insects. Birds, there are different type. I said early. Okay, children, now we are going to learn some examples of birds can fly high. Okay, look this picture. What is the name of the bird? Sparrow. This bird name is sparrow. Look this bird. What is the name of the bird? Owl. Sparrow, owl. Okay. Next example. Look this image. What is the name of the bird? Eagle. The name is eagle. Children, repeat with me. Eagle. Next, look this image. What is the name of the bird? Vulture. Vulture. And this one, parrot. You know very well, no? Parrot. Okay, these are all the animals can fly high. See, now we are going to learn some birds can't fly high. So we are seeing some examples. Okay, see, look this image. What is the name of the bird? This is duck. This is duck. Okay. Next, look this. Good. This is hen. This is hen. These are all the bird can't fly high. See, one more example I am going to show. Look this. This is peacock. This is peacock. This is peacock. These are all the peacock, duck, hen. These are all the birds can't fly high. Okay. Next we are going to see some birds can't fly. These are all the birds, but it can feather, but it can't fly. See some example. Look this. Can you guess what is the name of the bird? Ostrich. This name bird is ostrich. This name bird is ostrich. Look this, what is this? This name bird is kiwi. Ostrich, kiwi. One more example. See this, very good. This is penguin. This is penguin. It also a bird but it can't fly. Okay children. Now we are going to learn insects. Some examples we are going to see. Look this. Can you guess what is this insect? This insect's name? Name is ant. This insect name is ant. Look this. What is the name of insects? Ladybird. Ant, ladybird. And next one. Look this image. Grasshopper, cockroach. Grasshopper, cockroach. And next one. Look this, what is this? Honeybee. This is honeybee. We get honey from this insect only, okay? And this is mosquito. This is mosquito. Honeybee, mosquito. Okay children, in this class we learned birds and insect and how to solve our problem. Okay, I will give you worksheet related to this video. You will do the worksheet proper. We will meet you in the next class with a new topic. Bye bye.